FHC entered the industry to give the glass industry an alternative. We operated in a 50,000 square foot facility with about 15,000 square foot of manufacturing space. But looking forward 2 years, FHC has grown to 2 large state-of-the-art facilities with an over 200,000 square foot footprint, offering the latest manufacturing capabilities and large amounts of inventory for all the brands, architectural hardware, glass and glazing supplies, shower door hardware, the full line of glazers hardware.
FHC is dedicated to customer service. Our will call and pickup entrance leads right to our service counter. Gus Alba and the crew will process your order, bring it to the dock, and get you on your way. Our showroom displays our top items so you can review them as our staff fills the order. Our central inventory is always on the move, whether it's shower hardware, handrails and base shoe, heavy glass door rails and handles, or supplies. At the end of our UPS line, your order is scanned, sending an order notification to your email, listing what's been shipped, including a tracking number. On the office side, Chris and his experienced purchasing team keep the inventory coming. As we enter customer service, Tina Oliveri's and our customer service team take your orders, calls, and chats in real time. Danny Donahue heads the shower team, ready to answer all your shower questions. Paul heads our educational programs, including our AA learning webinars and our FHC learning sessions. Upstairs, Tony DePalma leads our experienced technical service department. You may recognize many of the faces.
Here at FHC, when someone calls in, a live person answers the phone. They get someone with many years of experience that can help them. We've got good quality products, fast lead times, and if it's a large project, then we talk about it. What's the date you need, and if it's realistic, we hit that date, and if it's not, then we say, can't hit this date, but we can do this. How do we make it work?
Each brand is supported with a technical team. Jose Quiones is ready to answer your questions about our new Achieve handrail system. FHC keeps standard items in stock and can handle most custom jobs, providing some of the best lead times in the industry. Armando Rodriguez oversees production as Vice President of Manufacturing. With years of experience on the floor, Armando is hands-on. Whether it's aluminum doors or custom handrail systems, we have the automation and experienced staff to handle the job.
Today at FHC, between the distribution facility and the manufacturing facility, we have over 150 employees with over 200,000 square foot of space. And with all that being said, we're just getting started.